Today I'm going to test the Bespeco Ducksm, which is a mini tripod to support a microphone on the table. It is a simple tripod for support a microphone on a surface, and the characteristics of this support are a metallic base, a chrome body, the height is between 17 and 23 centimeters, a base diameter of 19 centimeters, and for various types of microphone supports. I'm going to try two types of microphones to demonstrate this support, but before that, subscribe to the channel because I post new videos every week. So, here we have the box, and let's open it. Let's open the box, push the bag, and the tripod comes inside a bubble wrap bag. Inside the box, that's nothing else. It doesn't come with instructions, documentation, or warranty information. There are some pictures in the box of how to use it, and let's see what comes inside the bag. There is nothing else inside the bag, so it comes with this metal stand and a support for other type of microphone. The base is metal, the legs, let's see, they rotate, and it has three legs, so it's a tripod, and that's how it's placed on the table. And now it can support several types of microphones. There's this one with this thread that allows you to support an handheld microphone. There's also this thread for another type of support, and also this one. This is a smaller thread for another type of support. The height can be adjusted through this piston, which comes out. Let's reinsert it. It is regulated through this grip. We adjust the untighten and fix it. Let's see the maximum height. This is it. Let's measure the height with a tape measure. So, let's measure. It has a maximum height of up to 16 centimeters. If we push down the piston, it rests on the table, and it has a minimum height of, let's see, 10 centimeters. So, it's a simple tripod. It's almost all metal, only with this grip is plastic. The rest is all metal, so it's rigid and should be durable. And now let's try two types of microphones that I have. We no longer need the box. This one, we have to put it on a shock mount, and we have three options: this thread, this smaller one, or this support here. For this support, we are going to use the smallest thread, so we don't need these fittings for now, and we fit directly into the piston. With this shock mount, we can rotate the microphone and position it this way to better capture the voice in the recording. So that's how this tripod works, with this type of mount for a studio microphone. We're going to take it out again, and we have to unscrew it again. Now I'm going to demonstrate with a handheld microphone, which I use to record directly to the computer. And how do we hold this microphone? So we are going to need another type of support, this one. For that, we are going to need also this thread, and we screw it into the piston to increase the diameter socket thread to fit into the thread of the bracket. We screw this support in this way until it gets fixed all the way to the end. Now we have to adjust the height and tighten. You can, okay, it's good. We open the tripod legs again, and now we take the handheld microphone, this one, pass the cable through the opening, we insert it, and That's it. We now have the tripod supporting an handheld microphone, and it works with any handheld microphone, wired or wireless, as long as it has a suitable diameter. It has a larger diameter on this side and a smaller diameter on the other side, so you have to push, and the bracket holds the microphone, staying like this on the table. So I demonstrated how to use this mount with a studio microphone using a shock mount, which has this small thread, and with a handheld microphone, any microphone with a suitable diameter. And as you saw it, it's easy to mount these two types of microphones. I hope you enjoyed this demonstration of this mini tripod. Now, subscribe to the channel because I post new videos every week. If you like this video, give a like and write in the comments if you have any question, because I read and answer to all comments.